single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
What's up, YouTube? This is your girl Shanika coming to you. Doing a little vlog today. It's beautiful outside. I was out there washing my car. Wish I would have vlogged. But I was just enjoying it with my little Pookie Poo. But anyway, I was coming to let y'all know I'm going to do a cooking video. I'm going to try some mustard fried chicken. And I tried it before. And it really don't taste like, you don't taste the mustard. It just make your chicken crispier. But I'm going to let y'all follow along with me. I want you to, share this video, like, subscribe, comment, whatever you feel like doing. But help a sister out on this. It's beautiful out there. I'm just looking out there. I got all my blinds open. Letting it breeze with the window open. But this one to come, come with a video today. I've been slacking, but I'm coming. I just work a lot. But anyway, I am doing a cooking video, like I say. And I will be back to let y'all, follow along with me. And try this chicken, this mustard fried chicken. I'll be back. What's up, YouTubers? Here I go again. Well, like I said, I cleaned my chicken already. So I went with, have a long video. So I clean it. And since I got long nails, I'm about to season my chicken. And I'm going to use this ranch season. And you season as your taste. Some soul food season. Some adobo. And the rest of this complete. And I have some sazon for color and season. So how everybody doing? I hope everybody had a blessed Sunday. Went to church. I wish I would have went. I didn't make it this morning. But and you put some love in it by using your hands and stir the season, all the seasonings up. Stir it up. And then I'm going to add some mustard. I seen this on a video. And I tried it one time. And it made it crunchy. Very crunchy. I don't know how much to put in there, so I'm just putting enough. I just put enough in there. See? And just stir it up. Stir it all in. And it smells real good. Alright, you just stir it up real good. See? That's how it look. What it do? Hey, someone, congratulations. I got my chicken on. Congratulations. I got my chicken on. Got my water for my macaroni and cheese. And green beans. Green beans. So, look at this. Good old fried chicken. the mustard. I did the mustard. What it do, YouTube? Okay. Okay. Okay, the chicken. Look at that. Looks good. And I'm going to do some green beans. And my water for my macaroni and cheese. I just want y'all to look at this pretty brown chicken. About to turn my green beans on, so I'll do that. Alright, my macaroni and cheese is done. My green beans is done. And my chicken is done. I'm sorry for the color, y'all. My shit is sucky. I can't wait till I can get me a camera. But it's kind of sucky right now. So the macaroni and cheese. Yep, dinner is done. It's done, so I'm about to cover everything up until it's time for us to eat. So I might come back on here later on and have a little discussion. Alright, y'all. Y'all have a good day and a good night and a happy Sunday. Get ready for the work week. So subscribe, like, share, so other people can see, and comment. Have a good day.